Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a review on the Sephora Favorites 25 Days of Beauty Must-Haves Advent Calendar. If you do want to see a review and a demo, then please keep watching. As a huge favor, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and comment anything down below. I greatly appreciate it. I read all the comments and I'll do my best to reply back. This advent calendar retails for $85, but it's a $271 retail value. I do want to read a little bit about this. An advent calendar with 25 days of beauty products, perfect to gift or keep for yourself. The box is huge. Up at the top it says Sephora Favorites. Underneath that it says Advent Calendar, and then underneath that it says 25 Days of Beauty Must-Haves. Up at the top it says Sephora Favorites. On the bottom it says Sephora Favorites as well with the barcode. On the side of the packaging there's nothing printed. Same thing on this side, there's nothing there. On the back you have a picture of all 25 products included and a list of ingredients. Here's what the inside of the advent calendar looks like. It looks like we have a bonus. Here's what all 25 days look like. We're gonna start off with day 1. It's right here. Let's see what's inside. Oh, how cute. Here we have a deluxe size perfume. This is from Maison Louise Marie. This is number 4. This is a perfume oil. You get 0.1 ounces or 3 milliliters of product. Let's see what this smells like. It has an earthy, woody sandalwood scent. I'm not really into that scent. The key notes are sandalwood, vetiver, and amberwood. Let's see what's behind day number 2. Here we have a deluxe size Laneige lip sleeping mask. You get 0.1 ounces or 3 grams of product. I love this sleeping mask. It smells so good. Here's how much product comes inside. I love this lip mask. I use it every night. My lips feel nice and soft in the morning. Let's see what's behind day number 3. It looks like we have a product from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Here we have a deluxe size clear brow gel from Anastasia Beverly Hills. You get 0.85 ounces or 2.5 milliliters of product. It states it was made in the USA and it has a 12-month shelf life. Here's what the wand looks like. Let's apply some product to my eyebrows. Here's what one side of my eyebrow looks like compared to the other side. I don't really notice a difference, but I'm going to apply a little bit of clear brow gel on the other brow. Now that my eyebrows are all evened out, let's see what's in day number 4. Day number 4 is down here. Here we have a deluxe size product from Briogeo. This is called their Scalp Revival. This has charcoal and coconut oil. It's a micro exfoliating shampoo. You get 1 ounce of product or 30 milliliters. On the back you have the directions. Underneath that it states it was made in the USA and it has an 18-month shelf life. I like that it comes with a safety seal. It smells good. Here's what it looks like. I like that it has those little exfoliating beads. It smells like peppermint. It smells very good. I'll definitely be trying this out tonight and I will leave below in the description box my thoughts. Let's see what's behind day number 5. Here we have a deluxe size Burberry Her. This is an all-day perfume. You get 0.1 ounces or 3 milliliters of product. This scent smells so good. I love floral fragrances. The key notes are dark red berries, jasmine, and vanilla. Moving on to day number 6. Here we have a deluxe size Summer Fridays jet lag mask. On the back it states it was made in the USA and it has a 12-month shelf life. Again, it comes with a safety seal. Here's what the face mask looks like. I love this face mask. It feels so nice and moisturizing on my skin. I used up an entire tube. I leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes and then I rinse it off. Afterwards, my skin feels super nice and soft. I'm so glad to try this out again. I totally forgot to repurchase it. Moving on to day number 7. Here we have a deluxe size Armani My Way Eau de Perfume. You get 0.24 ounces or 7 milliliters of product. Let's see what this scent smells like. Another floral. The key notes are orange blossom, tuberose, and vanilla. Let's see what's behind day number 8. Here we have a deluxe size product of the Banana Bright Vitamin C Serum. You get 0.25 ounces or 7 milliliters of product. On the back, it states it was made in the USA and it has a 12-month shelf life. I never tried out their vitamin C serum before. I'll try it out and I'll leave below in the description box how it performed. Let's see what's behind day number 9. I'm surprised day number 9 included 2 deluxe size Too Faced products. First product is the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. You get 3.9 grams of product or 0.13 ounces. It was made in Italy and it has a 6-month shelf life. Here's what the mascara wand looks like. I love fluffy wands like this. I currently have 2 coats of this mascara applied to my lashes. Here's what it looks like. I just love the volume and the length this mascara gives me. I'll apply some more to my lashes. This is such a great mascara. I'm so glad I have another travel size. This is my 3rd coat of mascara. Here's what 3 coats look like applied to my lashes. I love this formula. The second deluxe size product is the Lip Injection Extreme. As you all know, I'm not a lip plumper fan, so I will be gifting this away. You get 1.5 grams of product or 0.05 ounces. It states it was made in the USA and it has a 12-month shelf life. Let's see what's behind day number 10. It looks like this face mask came out from somewhere. I think it might be from the bonus box. I'll actually remove this. Here we have a lychee face mask. Behind day number 10, we have the Sol de Janeiro. Here we have Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Crush Bum Bum and Hair Body Fragrance Mist. You get 1 ounce of product or 30 milliliters. On the back, it states it was made in the USA and it has a 24-month shelf life. It comes with a pump. Let's spray some on my hair. Oh, it smells very good. The key notes are salted caramel, pistachio, and vanilla. I do want to show you guys the Sephora lychee mask. This is a sheet mask. It just smells like lychee. On the back, you have a little description, the directions, and the ingredients. And then down at the bottom, it states it was made in Taiwan. I'll definitely be testing out this face mask later on this week, and I will leave below in the description box my final thoughts. Day number 11 is on this side. Here we have a deluxe size face scrub from Wishful. This is called the Yo Glow Enzyme Scrub. You get 20 milliliters of product or 0.67 ounces. On the back, it states it was made in South Korea and it has a 12-month shelf life. It comes with a safety seal. Here's what that looks like. Again, I'm going to be trying this out later on this week, and I will leave below in the description box my thoughts. Day number 12 is down here on the bottom. The cap got stuck. Here we have a deluxe size fragrance from Replica. This is in the scent Beach Walk. You get 0.2 ounces or 7 milliliters of product. Let's see what this scent smells like. Smells like sunscreen. I do not like this scent at all. The key notes are bergamot, heliotrope, and coconut milk. Day number 13 is on this side. Let's see what's behind it. Okay, here we have a deluxe size product from xoxo. This is called their First Care Activating Serum. You get 0.27 ounces or 8 milliliters of product. I've never tried anything from this brand. On the back, it states it was made in Korea and it has a 12-month shelf life. It comes with a pump. Here's what that looks like. It has a strong scent. It smells like ginseng. I don't like any fragrance in my skincare products. Let's see what's behind day number 14. Here we have a body lotion from Necessaire. You get 30 milliliters of product or 1 fluid ounces. On the back it states it was made in the USA and it has a 12-month shelf life. I love that everything comes with a safety seal. Here's what the lotion looks like. I like that it's not watery or greasy on the back of my hand. Surprisingly, I'm not getting any scent. On the back, it does state it's fragrance free. Let's see what's behind day number 15. Here we have a 3-pack treatment of the Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Extra Strength Daily Peel. Here's what the back looks like. On the bottom, it has an expiration date. Here's what the inside looks like. It comes with 3 different peels. Here we have a step 1 that's supposed to exfoliate and smooth, and then we have a step 2, which is an anti-aging neutralizer. Here's what the back looks like. I'm not sure if I'll be testing out this product. My skin is super sensitive. I might be just gifting this away. Day number 16 is down here on the bottom. Here we have a tiny deluxe size fragrance. This is by Rosie Jane. I've never heard of this brand before. It's a roller ball. It smells like vanilla and alcohol. I don't like how it smells. The key notes are vanilla, chocolate, and hinoki wood. Day number 17 is right here. Here we have a deluxe size sunscreen from Supergoop. This is called their Glow Screen. This has an SPF 40. I've never tried their Glow Screen before. I've only tried the Unseen sunscreen and then their body sunscreen. Let's see what this looks like. And again, we have a safety seal. Here's what the sunscreen looks like. This sunscreen is too glowy for my liking. I don't like anything glowy on my skin. Let's see what's behind day number 18. Here we have the Belief the True Cream Aqua Bomb. You get 10 milliliters of product or 0.33 fluid ounces. Here's what the inside of the moisturizer looks like. I love this moisturizer. I use it daily. Here's what it looks like applied on the back of my hand. This moisturizer absorbs very quickly. It's great for oily skin. Day number 19 is on this side. Here we have a deluxe size mascara from Lancome. This is their Monsieur Big. On the back of the cap, it states it was made in France and it has a 6-month shelf life. Here's what the wand looks like. I tried this mascara in the past and I remember enjoying it. Let's apply some more mascara because why not? I love how my mascara looks compared to the other side. It gives it so much more volume. I'll apply some more mascara on this side, that way we're all evened out. I love how my lashes are looking. Moving on to day number 20. There's no name printed on the bottle. I'm pretty sure this is Valentino. Let's smell this. Ooh, it smells like florals. The key notes are Italian bergamot, orange blossom, absolute, and crystal moss accord. Day number 21 is on this side. We have a deluxe size lipstick from Clinique. This is in the shade Black Honey. Here's how much product comes inside of the tube. Here's what the shade in Black Honey looks like. This is their Almost lipstick. That's pretty. Here's what the shade in Black Honey looks like. This shade is beautiful. Day number 22 is on this side. Here we have a deluxe size product from Caudalie. This is their Vinyl Perfect Radiant Serum Complexion Correcting. You get 10 milliliters of product or 0.3 fluid ounces. On the back, it states it was made in France and it has a 9-month shelf life. Here's what the product looks like. I tried this product before. It came in another holiday Sephora favorite set. I tried it for about a week. I didn't really notice a difference. I ran out of product. I'm so glad I have more of it. I will continue to use. Let's see what's behind day number 23. Here we have a deluxe size Grande Lash MD Lash Enhancing Serum. This product was made in the USA and it has a 12-month shelf life. I personally don't like lash serums. I don't like when my lashes get super long and then it gets stuck in my eye. That's the worst feeling ever, to get a lash stuck in your eye and then you can't get it out. This I will be gifting to someone this year. Day number 24 is down here. Here we have a black eyeliner from Tarte. On the back it says it has a 6-month shelf life and it was made in China. This is all of the product that comes inside of the packaging. Like, why couldn't they just make this smaller instead of making it super big and deceiving? Here's what the eyeliner looks like, just in case you were curious. It is super black. I don't support Tarte Cosmetics, they're not inclusive. Let's see what's behind day number 25. Here we have a deluxe size primer from Laura Mercier. This is called their Pure Canvas Primer. It's supposed to be hydrating. On the back it states it was made in the USA and it has a 12-month shelf life. You get 10 milliliters of product or 0.33 fluid ounces. Again, I love how everything has a little safety seal on it. Here's what the primer looks like. I pumped out way too much. Ooh, it does feel nice and hydrating on the back of my hand. I want to see how the primer feels on my face. I will leave below in the description box my final thoughts. Lastly, we have a bonus. I'm pretty sure this was the sheet mask, but let's double check. Yep. It was the sheet mask. For $85, I think this Sephora advent calendar is worth it. It's way better than the Wishing You advent calendar. I'll pop a picture here so you can see what I'm talking about. This retails for $45 and it's all Sephora collection products. It's mainly products that I'm not gonna use. I'm glad I picked up this advent calendar versus that one. $85 divided by 25 products, that's $3.40 for each product. I think that's a great price for all of the products that are included. Granted, some of these products you can get using your Sephora points. Sephora also sends emails to customers for free trial size products with a purchase. Some of these products I've tried out before, like the moisturizer and the lip sleeping mask. Other products like these fragrances I've never tried out before. I wish Sephora would have included a scent voucher to redeem for one of these fragrances. I think that would have been great. Let me know in the comments down below if you plan on picking this up for yourself or for a loved one. If you guys did enjoy this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please do subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video.